Hello everyone. In this video, we will see where your WorkDrive folders are created when using the Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension. First, go to Marketplace. Under Marketplace, open the Installed section and go to the Easy WorkDrive settings. If you are already authenticated, you will be redirected to the Module Settings page. By default, we are now in the Accounts module settings. If you click on the Root folder option, you can see the selected workspace and team folder. These are my current Easy WorkDrive settings. Now, let us say I have another team folder named Zoho CRM, and I want to save all account folders inside a folder named New Account. First, I will select the Zoho CRM team folder. Then, I will select the New Account folder and click Select Folder. Now click Update Settings. Only folders for the Accounts module will be saved inside the Zoho CRM team folder. Folders for the other modules will continue to be saved in the Easy WorkDrive team folder because their settings have not been changed. Now, I will go to the Accounts module and create a new account record. I will enter Thomas as the account name and click Save. The workflow has now been triggered, and the WorkDrive folder has been created successfully. If we open the New Account folder in WorkDrive, we can see the Thomas folder here. This is how folder creation works with the default module settings. You can also select a different folder when creating custom workflows for standard or custom modules. For this example, I will use a workflow created for the Operators module. Open the workflow and create a new action. Select Create WorkDrive folder. Now select the Workspace and Team folder. I will select Zoho CRM as the team folder. Then, I will select the Operators Module Folders folder and click Select Folder. You can click the pencil icon to customize the folder structure. I will also save the WorkDrive Folder ID in the Folder ID field. Then click Save and Associate. Finally, save the workflow rule. Now, I will go to the Operators module and create a new record named Test3. Then, I will click Save. Once the workflow is triggered, I will refresh the record. You can see that the Folder ID field has been updated. If we open the Easy WorkDrive related list, the record folder is visible here. Now click Go to WorkDrive. You can see that we are inside the Zoho CRM team folder under Operators Module Folders. The folder for our new record has been created here successfully. That is how you can control where folders are created using the Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension.